Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, in a cozy little workshop filled with blinking lights and whirring sounds, lived two curious twins named Lily and Leo. Lily had bright pink overalls and a cheerful smile, while Leo wore blue overalls and always had a thoughtful look on his face. One sunny morning, while tinkering with their grandma's old time machine, which looked surprisingly like a giant colorful washing machine, they accidentally pressed a big red button. Suddenly, with a whoosh and a whirl, the time machine landed in a bustling meadow filled with colorful tents and cheerful music. People in long flowing clothes were laughing and carrying baskets of fruits and flowers. A big banner overhead read, "The Great Medieval Bake-Off." Lily and Leo looked around, their eyes wide with wonder. A friendly woman, with a flour-dusted apron and rosy cheeks, noticed them looking lost. "Welcome, little ones," she said with a warm smile. "Are you here for the bake-off?" Lily, always eager, nodded quickly. "Yes, we love to bake." Leo, thinking hard, remembered a secret ingredient they had brought with them, a small bag of white powder called baking soda. Back in their own time, it made cakes extra fluffy. They decided to enter the bake-off and surprise everyone with a super fluffy cake. They gathered some flour, eggs, and sweet berries from a nearby stall. Under a sunny tent, with colorful flags fluttering in the gentle breeze, Lily and Leo mixed their ingredients in a big wooden bowl. They carefully added a tiny bit of their secret baking soda. The other bakers, dressed in their medieval best, used wooden spoons to stir their own mixtures, which looked much flatter. A curious little bunny, with soft white fur, hopped closer to watch the twins. They poured their batter into a round pan and placed it in a stone oven. Soon, a wonderful smell filled the air. When they took the cake out, it had risen much higher than any of the other cakes. It was light and airy, with a beautiful golden brown crust. The judges, important-looking people with long beards and fancy hats, gathered around to taste it. Their eyes widened with surprise as they took a bite. The cake was incredibly soft and delicious. Everyone cheered, and Lily and Leo were declared the winners of the Great Medieval Bake-Off. The friendly woman, with the flour-dusted apron, gave them shiny medals shaped like tiny rolling pins. Before they went back to their own time, Lily and Leo shared their secret ingredient with the other bakers, explaining how a tiny bit of baking soda could make their cakes extra light and fluffy. The medieval bakers were amazed and thanked the twins for sharing their wonderful knowledge. Back in their workshop, Lily and Leo smiled at each other. They learned that even though people lived in different times, sharing kindness and new ideas could bring joy to everyone.
Please subscribe. Thank you.